Namaste. I wanted to share a little shoulder help and some breathing and some things that are movements that are great for the spine. So we're going to do the little shoulder shake. Sometimes when you wake up in the morning, or maybe you've been sitting too long at the desk, your shoulders get really, really tight. And this is going to help. And we're going to do a couple rounds of these, the shoulder shrugs with breath. So shoulder shrugs with semi ujjayi breathing, or some may call it a different kind of breathing. Irrelevant, actually, as long as we're breathing as we do this. So it goes like this. So you bring your shoulder up as far as you can to reach the ears, and then quickly drop them back down with the breath. So join in with me so you can get the hang of this. Now we're going to double time. That was 20, so go ahead, stretch. Oh my goodness, this feels so good. Stretch forward, bring your chin to your chest. And then open, see if you can grab your hands behind you. Lift up, shoulders, chest up, shoulders down, chin parallel to the floor. Inhale, coming up. Exhale. I hope that helps. It's good to do 3 series. Let's go ahead. Let's do 2 more. Here we go. Last one. Go ahead and rotate. Crack, crack, pop. Crack, crack, pop. Oh, so wonderful. Feels so good. Oh, yes. Take a breath up. And then you're going to drop your body straight down to the ground. Exhaling. Coming back up. Inhale. Have an amazing day. Have an amazing day. Have an amazing day.